to more EmmaBakes. Today we have Brooklyn with us. Woo! And we are making chocolate brownies. Okay, so what we need for this is 1.5 cup of melted butter, 2 eggs, and 1/2 cup of flour, 1 cup of white sugar,
1/3 cup of cocoa, 1
quarter teaspoon. She needs
quarter teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of vanilla, a quarter teaspoon of salt.
Okay, so we switched around the stuff, and we have to add the melted butter. Wait, let me grab that. Okay. And the sugar. First, I'm going to stir a little bit. It's really good. I think that way. Yeah, like that. Then 2 eggs. And then a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay. Let's give it a bit of stirring. It smells good. Oh. And both of these are from Christmas. Put in the comments what you got for Christmas. Okay, so I think that's enough. Okay, so Glenn, time for you.
And next is the cup of cocoa.
So cup. Yeah, a little bit of stuff.
And
Flour.
And
A quarter teaspoon.
baking powder. And salt.
That is our batter. It's looking. You know what it reminds me of?
What?
The marble cake. It reminds me of the marble cake. I don't know why. It looks like chocolate now.
Yeah.
If it was chocolate, I would eat it. But it's not chocolate, kids. Yeah, eat it. It's in the oven. Okay, so now that they've been in the oven for 30 minutes, we are gonna do the taste test. Ew, what?